Your mouth is a crowded city with billions of residents. Honestly, most of us are terrible mayors. We spend our lives scrubbing and rinsing. We blast away every living thing with harsh chemicals. We do this without realizing we might be killing the good guys alongside the bad. This is why the conversation around oral probiotics has become so loud lately. Think about the last time you checked your gums in the mirror. Maybe you noticed a little redness. Maybe you felt a sharp twinge when drinking cold water. The natural reaction is to reach for a stronger mouthwash. You might even scrub your teeth harder. But there is a growing movement suggesting we should be planting seeds instead of just pulling weeds. This specific dental supplement is making waves by trying to flip the script on traditional care. It claims to fix things from the inside out. It uses a very specific blend of beneficial bacteria. People are flocking to these chewable tablets. They promise to rebuild gum health. They even claim to kill off that stubborn morning breath that just won't quit. It is a fascinating shift in how we think about our daily hygiene. The science here is actually quite grounded in modern biology. Our mouths need a healthy balance of bacteria to prevent decay. Good bacteria stop infections before they start. When that balance gets thrown off by stress or a bad diet, the trouble starts. This particular formula uses a four-strain approach to try and reset that ecosystem. It sounds like a dream solution for anyone tired of constant plaque buildup. It appeals to anyone with persistent sensitivity. But we have to look at the reality behind the flashy marketing. This is not a magic candy. It will not erase years of neglect in a single afternoon. Some people who tried it found their breath was significantly fresher within a short time. That is a huge win for anyone worried about social interactions. However, things change when we talk about major issues. For gum recession or deep sensitivity, the results were much more varied. They were also much less dramatic. You cannot just pop a tablet and expect your gums to grow back like a lizard's tail. The feedback from users is a real mixed bag. Some people find the taste of the tablets to be a bit strange. Some even find it off-putting. Others struggle with the commitment required to see any changes. The brand says you need at least 90 days of consistent use to see any real benefits. That is 3 full months of dedication. In our world of instant gratification, 3 months can feel like a lifetime. You have to be patient. You have to be diligent every single day. It is also vital to remember that these probiotics are purely a supplement. They are a partner to your toothbrush and your floss. They are not a replacement for them. You still have to go to the dentist for professional cleanings. You still have to do the boring work of cleaning between your teeth every night. This product is a preventative boost for your existing routine. It is meant to support the environment where your teeth live and breathe. If you're looking for a miracle cure for a deep cavity, this is not it. But if you want to support your natural defenses, it might be worth a look. The oral microbiome is a delicate and ever-changing thing. It reacts to everything you eat. It reacts to every breath you take. Adding good bacteria into that mix is a proactive step. It is about creating a habitat where health can flourish naturally. We often forget that our mouths are the gateway to the rest of our bodies. Taking care of your gums is about more than just a nice smile. It is about your overall well-being. Keep your expectations grounded in reality. Look at it as a long-term investment in your oral flora. It is one tool in a much larger toolbox. Don't expect a total revolution overnight. Expect a slow and steady shift toward a more resilient mouth. That is the real power of these probiotics. They work quietly in the background while you go about your life. Your dentist will thank you for the extra effort. Your breath will probably thank you too. It is all about finding that sweet spot between modern science and old-school hygiene habits.